Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Rudy here with Uriatus, and we are on location here cutting some black knot out of a Mayday tree. And I'm going to show you one case where we actually leave one knot, in this case on the tree, and not cut it out as consulted with the client.
Okay, so here we have this guy here, which is close to this big branch there. It's actually growing into the branch, this knot here, over there. Right there. So we're gonna leave this on the tree because it would basically, if it would cut off the whole big branch, it will basically disfigure the tree to an extent which is not giving a nice shape anymore. So we basically leave it for one more year and see what happens. Otherwise the tree is pretty healthy. We cut out a whole bunch of branches already, as you can see here. There's tons of knots over here, little guys. I'm going to show you some real little guys, how they start out. This guy here, super tiny, or even this guy here. That's how they basically start out. And once they are bigger, they kind of like look like this. Again, we have we bagged a whole bunch of there already, so we have to dispose them properly, which means for the black knot is ideally to burn them. So you can burn them in your fire pit in your backyard if you have one. Or the other alternative is basically like bag it into a plastic bag and then dispose it in your household garbage. That's the second option here.
Again, it's Rudy here with Uriatus. If you have questions about black knot in your tree, give us a shout, 780-218-8134, or send us an email, contact@euroyardservice.com. I would love to help you out. Talk to you next time. Bye.